I just feel that one.
What's that?
Yeah, no, that's the first thing we do.
That's smart. Yeah.
We came off the truck.
That's a great idea. That's what I need to do to the S4 though, because I think it's the same one as always, right? I have to. That's why I really want to go. Hey, when you see everything online, right? Videos.
Oh, we got a little bit of JDM going on here.
Kid made this on a 3D printer. That's not really.
5
Yeah.
in the rear, but on the freeway, with the light.
You're gone. Maybe by the time I decide freeway, I'm like, hey, I want to buy that. Well, you're dealing it, but eventually you.
But I think since 2018, cars are required to have that.
Yeah, back up there. So they can
Like,
We are now in line for the chili. Hopefully it's good. It's been hyped up.
No, it's like will be gone by the way. Rounds, 2 rounds, or is it just 1 round? Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, we need the media ops.
All right. Chili time.
Free alignment is DTF Auto, 855-885. 855-885. That's a lot of numbers. All right, but there is a 15-second timer, so you got to sprint. I believe in it. There it is. You have the Floret Silver SQ5, don't you? That thing is mint. Fantastic. That's awesome. Every single year to do product development, testing at the track. It's how we prove that all of the stuff that we make works in a safe place to beat it up. Anywhere from beginner to expert, they can get you sorted. You want to talk more about it?
Hi guys, this is Sophia with Turn 8. I just want to thank everybody for coming out. We really, really appreciate you guys coming on a Saturday morning and especially enjoying the chili. I hope that was great. I know it was a little spicy for me, but I hope everybody thought it was pretty good because it was pretty damn good. So we have 2 days. We are raffling off. For the first one, it's a lot. It's worth a lot. It's all the fun smiles and giggles per gallon, right? So our first day is for Sonoma. We're actually there for both days, Saturday and Sunday, February 21st and 22nd. So Joe, do you want to pull that ticket, please? The number is 856177. Free track day. Right here, winner. Let's go. So what are you driving on the track?
All road.
Awesome. So I'm sure Joe can get your information and hook you up with that. The number is 856164. That's awesome. What are you driving?
350Z.
Very good.